If you've been looking for a healthier way to enjoy crispy, delicious food without worrying about toxic coatings like Teflon, then you're in the right place. I've spent time researching some of the best non-toxic air fryers available right now, focusing specifically on models that use safer materials like glass, stainless steel, or ceramic instead of traditional non-stick coatings. Because, let's be honest, air fryers are incredibly convenient, but not all of them are built with your health in mind. Many use coatings that can degrade over time, especially at high temperatures, and that's exactly why more people are now switching to safer alternatives. So in this video, I'm breaking down 7 of the best non-toxic air fryers without Teflon, helping you figure out which one actually fits your lifestyle, your kitchen space, and your cooking needs. Let's get straight into it. Starting off with something unique, the BOSWELL 4.5 quart glass air fryer. What makes this one stand out immediately is the fully transparent glass body. Unlike traditional air fryers where you have to keep opening the basket to check your food, this lets you see everything as it cooks. That means better control, less heat loss, and more consistent results. From a safety perspective, this is a big advantage. Glass completely eliminates the need for Teflon or other chemical coatings, making it one of the cleanest cooking surfaces you can get in an air fryer. Performance-wise, it uses a 360-degree hot air circulation system, which ensures even cooking all around your food. So whether you're making fries, chicken, or baked dishes, you're getting consistent crispiness without burning or undercooking. It also includes 5 preset cooking modes for common meals like seafood, fries, steak, and chicken. So if you don't want to deal with complicated settings, this makes cooking incredibly simple. You also get a wide temperature range up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which gives you flexibility for both slow cooking and high heat crisping. And when it comes to cleaning, the glass container and basket are easy to wash and designed to resist sticking. Overall, this is a great option if you want something non-toxic, beginner-friendly, and easy to monitor. Next up is the Vexon 4.5 quart 6-in-1 air fryer. This one takes a different approach by focusing on stainless steel construction, which is another safer alternative to traditional non-stick coatings. It's durable, reliable, and better suited for long-term use. One of its biggest strengths is versatility. It offers 6 different cooking functions, including air frying, baking, barbecuing, reheating, thawing, and dehydration. So instead of having multiple appliances, this one can handle a wide range of tasks. Another standout feature is how quiet it is. It operates at under 48 decibels, which is noticeably quieter than many air fryers on the market. That makes a difference if you're cooking early in the morning or late at night. With 1050 watts of power, it's not the most powerful option out there, but it still performs well for everyday cooking. The 4.5 quart capacity makes it ideal for individuals or small families, and its compact design won't take up too much space on your countertop. So if you're looking for something quiet, multifunctional, and built with safer materials, this is a solid choice. Now let's talk about something more compact and innovative. The Ninja Crispi air fryer. This isn't your typical air fryer. Instead of a single bulky unit, it uses a modular system with a compact power pod and high-grade borosilicate glass containers. And that glass is important. It's designed to handle extreme temperature changes without cracking, making it both durable and safe for cooking. What really makes this stand out is its portability and flexibility. You get both a smaller container for quick personal meals and a larger one that can handle bigger portions, like a whole chicken with vegetables. It focuses on 3 main functions: max crisp, air fry, and re-crisp. So while it doesn't overload you with features, it does the essentials very well. Another benefit is the leak-proof lids. You can cook your food, store it, and even transport it using the same container. That's something most air fryers simply don't offer. And when it comes to storage, everything nests together neatly, saving space in your kitchen. So if you want something compact, portable, and built with safe glass materials, this is a great option. Moving on to a larger and more powerful option, the COSORI 11-in-1 air fryer oven. This is more like a mini convection oven combined with an air fryer, giving you a lot more flexibility in how you cook. With a 13 quart capacity, you can cook large meals, whether it's multiple servings of fries, a whole chicken, or even a small pizza. It also supports 2-level cooking, so you can prepare multiple dishes at the same time. It comes with 11 different cooking functions, including air fry, rotisserie, toast, bake, and more, so it can easily replace several appliances in your kitchen. The stainless steel construction is another big plus for anyone trying to avoid Teflon. It's durable, easy to maintain, and generally considered a safer material. Performance is strong as well. It cooks up to 40% faster than traditional ovens and doesn't require long preheating times. Despite all these features, the controls are simple and easy to use, making it accessible even for beginners. So if you want a large, multifunctional air fryer that can handle family-sized meals, this is an excellent choice. Next is the Chefmin Multifunctional Air Fryer Plus. This is another oven-style air fryer designed for versatility and convenience. You can air fry, bake, roast, dehydrate, and even use the rotisserie function. It comes with 17 preset cooking options, which makes it incredibly easy to use. Just select your preset and let the machine handle the rest. With a 10-quart capacity, it's perfect for families or anyone who likes to cook in larger batches. You can use the multiple airflow racks to cook different foods at the same time. The rapid air heating system eliminates the need for preheating, saving you time while still delivering crispy and evenly cooked results. It also features a large viewing window with interior lighting, so you can monitor your food without opening the door. The stainless steel components make it a safer alternative to traditional non-stick models, and cleanup is easy thanks to dishwasher-safe parts. So if you're looking for a powerful, all-in-one cooking solution, this is definitely worth considering. Now let's talk about one of the most advanced options on this list, the Teflon 2 air fryer. This one is built around smart cooking technology. It even includes AI-powered recipe generation, where you can input your ingredients and get optimized cooking settings automatically. That alone makes it stand out from most air fryers. In terms of performance, it uses a dual heating system with 360-degree airflow, inspired by professional pizza ovens. This allows it to cook food up to 30% faster, while still maintaining even heat distribution. It also features a non-stick ceramic basket, which is considered a safer and more non-toxic alternative to traditional coatings. With a 5.6-quart capacity, it offers a good balance between size and performance. It's large enough for families, but still compact enough for most kitchens. It includes 15 different cooking functions, covering everything from air frying and baking to grilling and dehydrating. Another standout feature is its self-cleaning mode, which helps remove oil and residue automatically. So if you're looking for something premium with advanced features and faster cooking, this is one of the best options available. Finally, we have the NutriChef 5.8-quart air fryer. This is a well-balanced option that offers a combination of performance, capacity, and ease of use. With a 5.8-quart capacity, it's great for cooking larger portions while still maintaining a compact design. It uses a 360-degree hot air circulation system along with a 1200-watt heating element, ensuring even and efficient cooking. You also get precise temperature control up to 390 degrees Fahrenheit and timer settings up to 60 minutes, giving you flexibility for different types of meals. It includes multiple cooking presets and features a transparent viewing window with an LED touch display, making it easy to monitor your food. The stainless steel construction and safer internal components make it a more health-conscious option compared to traditional air fryers. Cleanup is simple with dishwasher-safe parts, and it also includes safety features like automatic shutoff and overheat protection. So if you want something reliable, slightly larger, and easy to use, this is a great choice. Now to wrap things up, here's a quick breakdown to help you choose the right one. If you want the safest and most non-toxic option, go for a glass model like the BOSWELL or the Crispi. If you prefer stainless steel durability with quiet operation, the Vexon is a great option. If you need a large, oven-style air fryer for family meals, the COSORI or Chefmin are excellent choices. If you want premium features and smart cooking technology, the Teflon 2 really stands out. And if you're looking for a balanced, budget-friendly all-rounder, the NutriChef is a solid pick. At the end of the day, the best air fryer depends on your cooking style, your space, and how much versatility you need. But the good news is, you don't have to compromise your health to enjoy crispy, delicious food. There are plenty of non-toxic, Teflon-free options that deliver excellent performance. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more research-based product comparisons that help you make smarter buying decisions. I'll see you in the next one.